Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to set up a TikTok shop. This setup process varies by region. TikTok shops are only accessible within the country they're registered in US. Registered shops are visible only to US users. First thing first, go to the TikTok Seller Center and sign up with a TikTok account, email or phone. Choose United States as your market, then select your business type like individual or company. Now enter warehouse or pickup address, country, street address, postcode, and phone number. And set up your return warehouse address so you can use the same as pickup address or add a new one. Then agree to the terms and click Start Your Business. Now, go to Home, Verify Documents, then Upload. Choose your business type. If you're individual, upload front and back of ID, passport or driver's license. If you're corporation, upload legal reps ID plus business license. Then set your shop name, preferably your brand name, and then click Submit and wait up 2 to 48 hours for approval. TikTok will email if changes are needed. Now, go to My Account, then Bank Account. Fill out your bank details like account name and bank name, account number, email or building number, then click Submit. Now all you have to do is to add products to your Shopify, to your TikTok store. Go to Homepage, Get Started, then add first product. Fill in details like the product title, description, price, images, shipping, and payment option. Then when you're done, click Submit to review. Once approved, the product goes live in your shop. Once everything is set, your shop will be visible to the US-based users. You can start marketing via TikTok content, lives, or ads. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.